that, I would like to introduce you to SEIF founder and managing partner, Mariana. She's has over 20 years experience within the field of impact-driven entrepreneurship, and she is also an expert within impact investing and also non-financial support for impact-driven entrepreneurs. Please welcome Mariana to take the stage.
Thank you so much, Maria, for the nice introduction. I'm also excited, of course, also nervous a little bit. For us, it's new to have this format, but we are really happy because now we reach much more people in the audience than in a face-to-face event. Here on the screen, you see the picture of the first SEIF Award 2012. This was really a completely other situation. We were in the manufacturing hall of a sustainable bag company. We had 48 applications, and here on stage you see, for example, one of the pioneer of the urban gardening ecosystem. At this time, we were 2 people. Beside myself, I had an assistant who supports me in this process. Today, the situation is, luckily, completely different. As you see, we are a huge team. We have 2 companies now. We have the SEIF team. You see here the picture of Maria. She is responsible for social media communication, and she is in the lead of this amazing award this year. You see also a picture of Emme and Sarah. Both are managing partner, and they will be on stage a little bit later on. You see Dino, he is backstage, he is on the technical support side. And you see on the other hand side, on the right hand side, you see the SEIF Invest team. We founded this new company at the beginning of this year. I founded it together with Eric Giesinger. He is later on the panel as well. And also Luke and Alex support us in the SEIF investment team, or the investment opportunity we can make, and they are also backstage. You see the whole team is here on stage or backstage, and everybody is really excited about this event today. The SEIF Award 2020 have the Tech for Impact focus for the second time. What do we mean by Tech for Impact? I think most of you know these UN 17 Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs. This is the framework, you could say, the goals we should reach to get a sustainable future, and we should reach these challenges by 2030. And it's not easy, and it's quite a lot of issues we have to solve here, but we are really happy that more and more startups understand these SDGs as a business opportunity, as a challenge, and you will see some really promising cases tonight. When we look at the application landscape, you saw it already in the intro, of course, most of the applications were from Switzerland. That's not a surprise. We are based here, and of course, it's also an interesting tech ecosystem, also in general here in Zurich and in Geneva, as Lausanne especially. But also from Germany, we have a lot of applications that makes us happy because we have a lot of collaboration partner out there. What is really what is really a great success this year, that we have 6% applications from Sweden. The Nordics are quite active in the Tech for Impact ecosystem, and we are happy that we have also now stepped in this region. And also from other countries, we have European countries, we have applications. I think there we could improve maybe for the next year. And that's one important factor, that we have quite a reputation for our SEIF awards. I think it's because of the applications. They are really, it's a large number, and the quality is remarkable high. I think secondly, what is also important for us, that we have a really professional selection process. We do it with an IT platform. It's completely transparent, and we have a 6-step process, and it is a lot of discussion, a lot of work, but I think it's worthwhile to do it really in a highly professional manner. And I think thirdly, a really important success factor for the reputation of our award are the members of our jury. You see them here in the picture. We have a great variety with different industry background, with academic background, with impact investor background, also from different sector. And I think these amazing people, you know, with the discussions we have together, it's a very important success factor that we really have renowned good reputation over the last year. Here you have some information about the main impact areas. You see that the climate action, the SDG number 13 is number 1, but also we have a lot of applications in the field of responsible consumption, or for example as well in good health and well-being. But we have a wide spread of SDGs here, and you will have the chance to see some covered by the pitch tonight. A last slide from my side about these informations from the applications. We have 1/3 of the applications are from our female founders. It's more than the average in the average startup system. Nevertheless, of course, we would like to see more female founders, and maybe we'll have an improvement there for the next year. We will celebrate the award winners tonight. We will see 10 finalists pitching, but of course, our aim is to build a really great Tech for Impact ecosystem here in Switzerland, also in collaboration with our European partners, and that's only the first step. Of course, we do need also other partners. At the moment, in Switzerland, we see at the tech universities quite some movement, some action, some initiatives, but it's not academia alone which is needed. It's also, of course, large corporate partners. They have a great impact, a larger scale, and when they step in and engage, that really makes a difference. Also, in my opinion, the public sector is needed. It's call to action. We see it in UK or in France. It is, you know, amazing what the movement they can bring in. And last and sure not least, the impact investors. Also here we see some movement, but we would be very happy to have more of them, especially larger one, because it needs also, of course, the investors that we can move forward the ecosystem. But now I think that's some words from my side, and I'm happy to give over the words to you again, Maria.
Thank you so much.